What kind of pressure will there be on the SEC and other regulatory agencies to really step in and start regulating Bitcoin or the exchanges?
Well, we've seen already how the two big regulators in this space, the Commodity Futures Trading Commission and the SEC, have made statements over the last few months as to how their jurisdiction extends to cryptocurrencies and to what's called initial coin offerings. So those, I think that will continue. I think their focus on these on this particular area will continue as they assert their jurisdiction.
So I want to talk to you about something that you're very much involved in, and it's called the Chamber of Digital Commerce, as I understand it. Explain to me what this is exactly. Is this an attempt at sort of some form of self-regulation, of the industry getting together and sort of sorting things out itself?
Well, basically, that's what it is. It's basically market participants coming together to try to come up with guidelines with respect to, we're focusing really on these so-called initial coin offerings, these offerings of digital assets that have started to multiply over the past year. And so there's been talk by the SEC, of course, and the CFTC about how their jurisdiction extends to that and whether or not some of these things, or most of them, are securities offerings. And so what we are trying to do is focus on guidelines that will help issuers and people who buy these particular assets, and then, of course, government regulators and others who have interests in the marketplace.